Hello everyone. Today is Sunday, September 28, 2025. Today I'd like to talk about silver. Silver is approaching this obvious resistance, $50, right? This is an all-time high. So silver is approaching that resistance area, right? Today I'm making this video because I decided to hold my silver long position through this major resistance, right? $50 resistance. And okay, before I start, I am very bullish on silver because of this 12-year long bullish bet, right? This is from October 2008 to March 2020. This is a huge bullish pattern. And then silver had a first spike up and then a pullback, and it got support around the 618 retracement. And since then, silver went power through many resistance and approaching now all-time high, right? There are three reasons that I decided to hold my silver long position against this resistance, right? So first of all, it's risk-reward ratio, right? So the risk is we are here, $46. To me, the risk is here. This one is the breakout line. So silver went above this breakout line. So it used to be a resistance. Now it's a support, right? So if silver were to pull back, then there's a good chance it got support around this breakout channel, breakout line, right? So it's about 39, around $40, right? That's the risk. But the reward is, as I said in my earlier video, once silver passed $50, to me, the next major resistance is this breakout channel, right? Around 75, so roughly $80, right? Depends on how fast silver gets there, right? And not only this breakout channel, there's another breakout line here, so which kind of converging here, right? This quarter, so 75, around $80, right? So risk is from 46 to 40, about $6, and then reward is from 46 to 80, right? So that's $6 risk, about $24 reward, right? So it's a pretty good risk-reward ratio. So that's number one. Number two is, as I mentioned in the previous video, okay, let's quickly go over. Silver had three bull markets, including current ones, right? The first bull market was 13-year long, and it went up 35 times. And the second one is 20-year long bull market, and it went up 15 times, right? So as you can see, it's at least 10, 13 years, 20 years. It's a decade-long bull market. The current bull market started in 2020, right? We are only 5 years into this bull market, right? So we have many, many more years to go, right? In fact, I think at least it will go up 10 years from here, and then more than 10 times, right? And also, if we look at the previous bull markets, the majority of move comes at the late stage of the bull market, right? So here, the big move, the last 13 months, silver went up 8 times. During the whole bull market, silver went up 35 times, but roughly like 4 times how many years, right? It went up how many years? But the last 1 year, like 13 months, it went up more than this decade's gain, right? Similarly, The second bull market, same thing, right? 20-year bull market, but majority of move came last 30 months, right? Last 30 months, it went up 6 times. So because we are still at least not late stage, probably early or at most mid stage of the bull market. So that's why the bigger move is coming. So I don't mind the smaller fluctuations at this early stage. Okay, so that's my second reason. Third reason is it's my own unsuccessful experience. 2011, I shorted gold September, right here. Here, I shorted gold almost to the top. This is a quarterly chart, so let me switch to monthly. 2011, I shorted gold to the day. I was just lucky, right? I shorted 19, above 19. The high was 1917, right? So above 19, I shorted gold. And then I hold about 3 days, I believe. And I got quick about 200, more than 200 pips gains at the time, right? So I was really happy about that trade. But then I got out. And my reason was, I think 2000 is a big round number. I thought gold may bounce back up to 2000. And I'm going to short again once gold goes through 2000 level, right? But it didn't come, right? Of course, right? And then I couldn't get back in. So I watched all my profit evaporate. Not evaporate. I still got about 200 pips gains, but potential gains, I couldn't get those, right? So this is not the only unsuccessful experience for me. I got many more unsuccessful experience, right? But at that time, I didn't realize it because my time frame was 1 hour, right? 1 hour. So I didn't realize it until I started YouTube recently. I started YouTube last year. So my goal of starting YouTube was twofold, right? So the first goal is to share my trade, um, and as I mentioned in my video channel description, I don't recommend viewers to blindly follow my trade. Right? I hope viewers do their own research and make their own decision. But if my trading is too late, it doesn't help the viewers. What I mean by that is harmonic trading is a forecasting leading indicator, right? So let's go back to silver. So when I take the trade, usually the trade goes against me 70 or 80% of time, and then it turns later on, right? It happens every time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, monthly. They're the same. So because it goes against my position initially, that gives enough time for viewers to decide, right? Especially nowadays in the strong bull market like silver, I'm using monthly, even quarterly, right? So when I take the trade, hopefully it gives enough time for viewers to make their own research and decision, right? So that is my first goal. And second goal of starting YouTube was to improve my own trading, right? Because I did the same thing. I started in 2003, and then until 2010, I used all kinds of. I didn't have a system. I just all kinds of tools, candlesticks and Elliott wave, and I studied William O'Neill's the canceling method as well, but I didn't have a system, right? But since 2010, I learned trading, forex trading, from the professional trader. His name is Derek Fry. At that time, my time frame was 1 hour. Since then, I used the same harmonic method for over I don't know, 15 years now, right? 2010 to 15 years. But at that time, I did the same thing over and over again. Then I didn't realize my problem, my trading problem, right? I was successful. I had a modest success, but I couldn't break out, right? So the, that's my second reason, right? I want to, by presenting my idea in public, hopefully I can catch my own mistakes. From that perspective, I got my own answers, right? My problem was a time frame. I thought I was a short-term trader, but at least during the trend, strong trend, I'm more comfortable with long-term trend following, right? That's my first lesson. And the second lesson I learned is the bet sizing, right? I'm sizing up my position in a strong bull market, right? So that's the thing. So yeah, that's the reason. That's my third reason. It's a long explanation. The third reason is because I wasn't successful in and out in a strong, especially bull market. I decided to sit through, right? Hold through the resistance. Small fluctuations, I decided to just sit through it. Okay, so that's the three reasons why I decided to hold my silver long position through this upcoming $50 resistance. Okay. Also a disclosure. I'm holding, as I mentioned in my previous video, I'm holding CDE. Oh, by the way, this one, let me make a correction. I think last video, I said it's 43-year long bullish butterfly. In fact, it was my math mistake. It should be 33 years, right? From 1982 to 2016, early January. So it's 33 years. So yeah. When I say I'm holding my long position, means I'm holding CDE through that $50 resistance in silver. Okay. So that's it today. Okay. Thank you for watching, and have a great rest of the weekend.